The Amazon Analytics. Okay, we're gonna get into the weeds a little bit today with Amazon Analytics. Now, like I said, I've been in the program for close to 3 years. It's going to be 3 years this in the next couple of months. But all I hear about is people complaining about the analytics. Yeah, Amazon Analytics stinks. They stink. Amazon Analytics. They wish they would. I wish they would give us YouTube Analytics, right? So everybody just complains about it. Nobody looks at it. Nobody says, "Hey, man, what they're giving us this information. What can we do with it? What can we learn from this information? I mean, it's information, right? It's got to be good for something. So you go in there, and if you've been doing this a while, you may have videos that you were getting sales for, and all of a sudden one day you stop getting sales. So it was ranking. All of a sudden, it's not ranking anymore. So I don't know if do you notice these things? Let me know in the chat. Do you notice when your videos stop making sales and are no longer ranking? Do you look for that? Do you find that often? Well, from what I understand and from my experience talking to people, people don't generally. They're too busy making videos and researching new products and on that side of the coin, that they're not looking at the past work. So what did you do? Did you notice it, and did you do anything about it? Or did you were too busy making videos like I am, right? Too busy making videos to look at it. Well, that's a winning product. That's a winning product you already won with. You already made a good video. You've already proved that you can rank with that product. You can get that product in the carousel. So why wouldn't you make another video on that product? If you hadn't thought about this, let me know if you've thought about this already. But you make another video on that product, okay, and try and get it back up into the carousel. So if you go back into your videos, it's a pain in the butt to scrape it and search it if you get thousands of videos. But you go back there and you look, and which ones are not ranking anymore, that were ranking. You can definitely go and look at your sales and figure out which ones you were making sales with, and all of a sudden you're not making sales. So you can definitely find it there, right? And you go look for those, and you figure out why. Now, go one step further. Do you go and do research on other videos, other influencers' videos that are ranking in the carousel? Or do you just go, oh, there's 5 videos up there? Do you go in and look at them, and say, why are they ranking? Why is this one number one? What's this one doing that I'm not doing? What's going on here? Is maybe I'm doing an unboxing, but they're not doing an unboxing. Maybe they go right into the features, and maybe that's the key. Or for that product, it's different for everything, right? So, but what did you do different? And what can you do to change it to be more like the ones that are ranking? If all the ones that are ranking are pretty much the same thing, maybe you want to do something similar to that and get up there, right? Get yourself back on the carousel. You've already proven you can rank there with that product, right? So what do you think? Let me know in the chat if you think that's worth doing, or is that too time consuming for you? To me, that's money, right? That's money just waiting to be taken out of the mattress, because they're winning products. They're your winning products. You're winning videos, I should say. They're your winning videos, and you've proven that you can win with that video, that style, and that product. Definitely, you can do that. Now, what you need to do, right? What you should be doing, start looking at your videos. Okay, start looking at your videos. Why aren't they converting? Why are you getting views but you're not getting sales? There's a reason why. Okay, so and you go look at your competitors' videos and find out what they're doing right and what you're not doing. Right? It's the information is there. Again, if I hear one more person say the analytics stinks, they're not the greatest. I'm not going to say they're the greatest. They're not the greatest. But there's information there, and you got to learn how to use it. You got to take the information they give you and use it to your advantage, right? That's for sure. So what's Adam? So we were talking about all the other gurus are telling you to go ahead and spend money on products, and I'm saying don't invest money in something that they can take away your ability to earn it back. Instead, look through your winning products, look through your winners, look through the videos that get views, look through videos that are getting views and not sales. Redo those videos. Okay, I've been saying it all along. So buying products, I'm saying is it's not a bad strategy, but it shouldn't be your only strategy. I mean, sure, buy some products. We have to live. You're going to buy products. You're going to do research. You have to know how to do research, right? So I'm not saying don't do that. Find out what you did, do another video. You know that video is getting views. You know you rank for that video. You know you are good at that product, right? You can rank. Redo the video so that you can convert. right? Boom. So you take a video that you already have and you're going to bump it up. Or you could do the same thing. Do you ever go back and look at videos that you did that were getting sales and all of a sudden they're not getting sales? Like I had one item, a barbecue item last year. I was getting sales every day, 3, 5 sales a day. And then all of a sudden not getting sales. So we'll go look at it and okay, I'm not ranking anymore. Do you do that? Most people aren't going back and researching and learning from their own stuff. What they're doing is they're researching products and buying products and just moving forward that way. They're not looking backwards. They're not saying, what did I do? What worked? What can I change? What can I fix? I've got a bunch of content back there that if I adjust it, give it a kick in the ass, it'll make me money, and it's free money back there. It's just I'm sitting on free money back there, right? That's so you go back and you look. What did I do? Do another video. Remember, you can do as many videos as you want on the product. You've got a bunch of winners you're sitting on, okay? And the ones that were ranking and that no longer rank, all you got to do is go back and do another video. Go back and do another video. And if you're one of those guys, the purist that says you can't flood the carousel with your videos, delete it. Delete the bad video. Delete it. It goes without saying. So like, if you listen to anybody on YouTube talking about this program, they're talking about researching products. Nobody's talking about checking out your stuff. What did I do that worked? What did I do that didn't work? What can I change? What can I adjust? I go back to my old videos when my lighting wasn't good, my audio wasn't good, my studio wasn't good. I was setting up a green screen. They were pure crap. Pure crap. I'm not saying I'm good now because I'm not. My content's crap still. But it's time to shake the tree and go back and redo some of those videos, okay? Because it's money in the bank. It's too simple. It's too simple. But it's your winners. It's your banger videos. It's the ones that you already know you can rank for, right? So,